Hello, people. Another beautiful day. Yeah. Hope your five senses work, health, and strength is good. Or excellent. What? What's up, Steam Deck fans? Steam Deck Tribe, Steam Deck Nation, Steam Deck Universe, Steam Deck World, Steam Deck Legion was good. Steam Deck Mob, what's happening? Steam Deck Squad, what's up? And to you Steam Deck nerds, geeks, and freaks, and you investigators, what's happening? Yeah, man. What do we got for you, little Steam Deck nerds? Oh, speaking of which, we got an update for all you Valheim lovers. I was sitting here looking for an article to cover, and found me one. Says here, it's a nice little article. Valheim got a nice little update. Listen to this. Valheim has rather large bug fix release in testing. Ready for the next big patch for survival game Valheim? Developer Iron Gate has a new public test available with lots of fixes. This is not a content-focused patch. That's still to come a while later. This is just to clean up issues players have been reporting. Since this is in the public test, you can access it via the betas option on Steam. You just need to enter yes, IMDADE, yes, no, YESSIMADE backups password, because it can cause issues, as they want to be sure you're not diving in without thinking. If you don't want a potential to mess up your world, wait for the main release. Then it says here, have a look and see if something that annoys you is fixed. Fixes and improvement. Hilder location should now generate correctly on dedicated servers. Hilder clothing now decrease stamina use for base items, hammer, hoe, and cultivator. Correct icons for tunic 4. Hilder items can now be repaired at workbench. Add ability to copy build piece while in build mode. Manual snap cycling now shows a name for each snap points. And then it says you can no longer accidentally cycle snapping points while having the build menu or the map visible. Then it says snap points removed for barber station. You can now zoom the camera while using the hammer, hoe, cultivator if no rotation is possible, while using the mouse, and always on gamepad. Fix issues where precision placing builds pieces would appear to be a few centimeters symmetric off. Remove possibilities to build on fire pits. Removing a piece is now done when you release the button rather than pressing it to allow the button combination, and so you can change your mind and hover away. Prevent character from jumping when in pieces selection. Place stack and now available only when a container has been opened. You can no longer press Shift-E on a container to place stacks. Then it says you now have better control over growing plants, as they will now grow into approximately their snapping rotation, but they start with a random rotation when planting. Then it says hard and very hard combat difficulty now also increase star mob chance. It says pickable honeys and snap scales correctly with resource rate modifier. And it says here resource rate modifier should now scale more correctly for all drops. Toggler run renamed to toggle sprint and work again. Reset auto run after dodge. Fix a crash related to the old portal. Fix a bug where being near a queen dungeon would block portal when using the no boss portal option. Bosses will now count as active and block teleporting after the first time they have been occurred rather than when they were spawned. Block portals in dungeon exists will now display the same message when being blocked by no boss portal modifier. Fix crossplay servers failing to register if too many modifiers were set. Fix modifier not being set for in-game host server when registering to Steam matchmaking. Fix modifier not being reset when starting a world with no modifier after starting a world with modifiers. Fix random events only spawning for the host when using player-based events, or not at all if on dedicated server. Fix the saving off some stats. Added Elder to item set commands. Tombstone can now be deleted with force delete command. Random event and stop event command can now be called by all admins, not just the host. And then it says new optimized low vegetation quality settings will have a small amount of grass rather than none. Fix LOD terrain mesh become invisible, distorted when standing near modified terrain in some areas. Fix a vegetation shader issue. Fix a threading issue. The game quits a bit faster as a result. Fix a bug where the music could get stuck in the morning and evening when in dungeons. And then it says alt functionality key change to LB for console to mapping. Add quick selection command for console. Store, in parentheses it says store quotes X plus D-pad, comma, load quotes Y plus D-pad. Fix incorrect click sound on B. Fix sometimes missing tooltip for inventory items. Fix an issue where boats could fall through the ocean and localization updated. Oh yeah, you guys got some updates, man, on Valheim. Oh yeah. Now for user interface. It says here, fix Asian fonts readability in bold style. Fix rune stone text to only show rune symbols in all language. Made sure all text fields have the correct font set. Minor text optimization. Fix some missing localization updates when the language is changed. Saving icons is now displayed on low FPS as well. Fix a bug that caused the server modifier summary to be empty in the server list for all servers. It says move tooltip from server browser to not overlap with any cloud warning text. Fix some incorrect key hints. Remove several control characters that were rendered as a box in the item description. Fix custom modifier text showing up as the localization key in the server list rather than the localized text. Fix world list not being updated when the last world is removed. Add full localization support to modifier text in world server list. Fix tooltip position for store items when using gamepad. Add X to quick close and save server modifier. Oh yeah, you little Steam Deck nerds and geeks and freaks got some updates on Valheim. Okay, and here's the last of it. Here's the last update. Stability. Various crashes fixes related to generation and projectiles. Fix a bug that could cause more backups that intend to be created for world saves when migrated from an older version. Fix a bug where creating a new world with the same name as just deleted worlds would give that world the same seed as the just deleted world. Fix an issue that could make the world with certain very large dungeon seed to not be loadable. Fix an issue where saving off world on server and character on client could be out of sync. All saving methods should now work the same way. Then it says, fix an issue where a world is saved twice when using manual save, doubling the amount of save time. Fix memory leak when opening and closing the skill dialog. Added check for available cloud storage after save and before world starts. Then it says in parentheses, which should prevent world wipes after all. And then it says here, Valheim is now available to buy on Humble Store or Steam. It is a native Linux support and is Steam Deck verified. Yeah, so there. You Valheim nerds, geeks, and freaks, that's your update. And there's more to come, so I will keep you posted. Yeah, have fun gaming and enjoy. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still a Star Wars and Star Trek thing. Board, dark side. I'm gone. Peace.